Hi all, thank you very much for watching this video. So today we are gonna see what is the our launch template service in this AWS. So this is basically a very useful service by AWS. So in which you can set some configuration related to your EC2 instance. So whenever you want to launch one EC2 instance, so you have to go through some of the manual tasks like selecting operating system, creating key pairs, selecting VPCs, and some sorts of settings like you have to do. So instead of going with the manual approach, so you can avoid it and save you a lot of time using a launch template. So today we're gonna see what is a launch template, how to create the launch template, and how to execute the launch template and get one EC2 instance based on that configurations. So I am in my terminal, that is AWS Management Console. We are in Ohio region actually. So this is so let's create one launch template for EC2. So click on EC2 option. So right now in this region there is a no instance is in the running state. You can see here is a 0 instances are in the running state. So to create launch template, so basically you have to click on instances. Under the instance sections in your left corner there is a launch template option. So click on this. So this is all about launch templates. You can read it, you can go through this, and for creating launch template, just simply create launch template. So this is the one-time activity I am doing it. So let's give a template name. So I am giving it like template for EC2. So this is the template for EC2, and then the template version description. So you can give it like same. So now you can set auto scaling guidance for this instance. You don't need right now, so I am not selecting it. Keep it as default. Then template tags, you can add tag like key. Right now don't need to specify this, so simply go with the default settings. You can select one operating system for your instances, so you can create on browse more of EMIs. So these are the bunch of EMIs available for you. So let's go with free tier eligible only. So I am selecting one from this list. So this is the Ubuntu OS. I am selecting this. This is the very useful, people are using it. Select it now. Thank you. Okay, now you have selected one operating system for your launch template. So instance type. So these are the the settings you have to do before you launch any instance. So free tier eligible T2.micro instance, which comes with 1 CPU and 1 GB of RAM. Okay, then key pair to log into the system to SSH purpose. So simply click on one. You can select one of these keys. I have already created it. So you can create your key pair from this option. So simply name your key and select the key pair type. So I am not creating it. So I have already created 2 keys in this region. So network settings. So you can select your VPC. So we are going with by default VPC, and the subnet for this launch template is US East2 B. So that's it. We have selected one subnet for EC2 instance, and then whatever the instances you are launching, that instances will be provisioned into that subnet. So keep it, remember, so you have to select this wisely. So select existing security group, or you can create new one. I'm going with security, existing security groups. So well, temp.sg, this is I have already configured. So this has some ports enable on this, so like HTTP, HTTPS and port 20 for SSH purpose are open. So you can go with EBS volumes as you wish. So we are now on a default mode, so this EBS volume comes with 8 GB. So that's it, everything is okay. So click on create launch templates. So before launching this, simply go through what you have configured yet. So template is okay, everything is okay. Now, so now resource tag, add tag, I think you can, no need to give this. So create launch template. So the launch template is successfully created. So now you have to launch one EC2 instance based on this LAMP launch template. So this template will execute and it will perform certain tasks for you, like launching an EC2 instance. So click on EC2. Now you can see there is no EC2 instance, the servers are running in this account. So let's create one server using launch template. So click on this button and select launched instances from templates. So based on the settings you have already provided in the launch template, the EC2 instance will be created. So select your template. So we have created a template is for EC2. So this is resource type by default, don't need to change, and these are the predefined settings. We have already defined these settings previously, so just go through this. Okay, so hit launch instance button. This will create one EC2 instance for you, and this is the one-time activity, so you don't need to come the EC2 instance, create EC2 instance, give your details manually. This will this launch template will save you a lot of time. So you can use launch template for your productivity. And let's see what is this EC2 instance, is it up and running or not. So just simply refresh. So you can see there is one instance in the running state. So we have created one EC2 instance using this launch template. So whenever you want to create instances, you can use launch templates. So this is how you can use launch templates. And thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.